Retrofit, retrofit, we got a retrofit for the planet. We've got a retrofit our leaky house, so we gutted it and we had to move out. But it costs so much and it takes so long. It goes on and it's still not done. Now it's all gone wrong and we're still living with your parents. All our friends are flying away on holiday. I'd love to go to Japan, but I don't think I should in the current context. All our friends are flying away to Africa. I wanna go with them, but I don't think I should in the situation. Retrofit, retrofit, we can do our bit for the planet. But it's all gone wrong, it's all covered in mold. It takes so long, wasn't it all being left right here and there like that? We've been straw clay, we're fine horsehair. We've got some loose space on the inside, we'll extend the eaves. When we live and done, so I could go on please. All our friends are flying away on holiday. I wanna go to Taiwan, but I don't think I should in the situation. All our friends are flying away to America. I wanna go with them, but I don't think I want to in the current context. I just want to lounge down in my lounge again, watching documentaries, thinking about how it's all that it's about. All our friends are flying away to India. I'd love to go to Goa, but I don't think that would be appropriate right now. Retrofit, 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 the neighborhood, observation stations, home road food, retrofit, the energy system, goes to geothermal district heating. We use straw, clay, leather and sheets for that. They got too damp and not say that. We wanted wood fibre, but we built a set. They didn't know what that was, so they got plastic instead. All our friends